Kidz.
And
Start.
dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh! Yeah, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz League. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. I am so super excited. Why? Because Christmas is around the corner. I am just feeling it in the air. Christmas is a festival full of culture and tradition. It entails a lot of preparations and decorations. So this festive season, let's indulge our kids into some easy DIY activities through which they can connect and can know more about Christmas. And I am sure they're gonna love it. So in today's video, Avansh and Averie are gonna show you some very easy DIY activities which you can try with your kids at your home. And I'm sure they're gonna enjoy the activities.
Everyone, welcome to
Kidz League.
Kidz. Merry Christmas, Otto.
enjoy these activities. If you do so, then do these activities at your home with your kids and share your videos in the Instagram and tag us, that is Kidz. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to Kidz for more such exciting videos. Till then, bye bye. Merry Christmas to all of you.